Good afternoon, gentlemen. Gentlemen, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. Not like me, I'm quite nervous. Okay, I would like to tell you a short story. When I was a child, I almost of my toys are airplanes. Some were big airplanes, smaller planes, some were toy gun airplanes. And when I saw the airplane flying in the sky, I pointed the airplane and tell to my kalaro, my playmates, that oh, my father is riding there at the airplane, and then I will clap and shout. Yeah. Sometimes when I was a child, I wonder how do airplane fly? How to maneuver or pilot the airplane? That's why I choose the airplane as the subject of my speech. Fellow students, I will tell you today why airplane is the most important invention for me. The airplane was invented around 1903 by Orville and Wilbur Wright, or also known as the Wright brothers. They requested an application for a flying machine. 9 months before their successful flight in December 1903. Airplanes are very important to us. The first airplane I watched last week in the National Geographic Channel. The first airplane is just a single seater, and some are glider. And then the second one, they invented the the cargo plane, ma'am, cargo plane that can carry baggage to the other place. And the third generation was the commercial plane. It can carry just 10 person above. And this. I have 5 reasons why airplane is the most important invention. One, it helps us to travel faster around the world. Imagine life without airplane. Can you go to America using feet? Yeah. No, you can't go. Walking. You can't go to other place using walking. Number 2, it makes our travel more comfortable and hassle-free. If you travel so far, if you travel in ships, maybe you can go to the other place maybe 24 hours, some or 3 days, 2 days. But in airplane, it will take just an hour. Number 3, it changed the way we live. Number 4, it gives us the opportunity to explore the world. If you ride to an airplane, you can see all the view above. From above, you can see the beautiful mountains, the seas, the brothers. And number 5, it uses to give help when emergency, especially when the relief, they will deliver using airplane to the other place. And I have here some the airplanes. The latest airplanes are the Boeing 727. It was the first airplane manufactured by the Boeing company. And the latest was the Boeing 787. It can carry up to 600 people. Yes, that's true, my friend. And also the Airbus 319. 319, the Airbus 320, the Airbus 330, 340, 350, and the biggest plane right as of now, as of this day, was the Airbus 380. It can carry about 700 people, except the luggage now. And it's a time, it's a shorter time to get to the other place. I have a trivia, ma'am. Do you know that the Boeing 787 can carry 600 people? No. That can flew to the other place.
Now you know.
Now you know. Do you know that? The other one, do you know that the Airbus 380 is the biggest airplane as of now? No. Now you know.
Oh, it's more than.
The Wright brother. Wait. The main reason of the Wright brothers is the airplane was to prove that power heavier than air flight was possible. The invention of airplane changed the way we travel and also made the traveling comfortable. Airplane gives us the opportunity to explore the different part of the world. Tackling emergency situations like floods became much easier. Airplanes are also important part of the defense service. That's all. I'm done. Thank you for listening.